Hi guys, Tina here from TLC in the Garden, coming to you today with the TNOG Getting to Know You Tag Challenge. Number 1, do you have pets? Right now I don't. Once I finally get established and totally moved into the house, I probably will get a dog or two. Number 2, are you in a relationship? No, right now I'm not, but I am open to one if it happens to come along. Number 3, do you drink alcohol? Yes, I do love a good glass of wine or a good cocktail. Number 4, do you believe in God? Yes, I do. Number 5, hot dogs or cheeseburgers? I eat both, and I do appreciate a good hot dog, but my favorite would have to be cheeseburgers. Favorite food, number 6. Seafood, love all seafood, and pizza. Number 7, what do you drink in the AM? Coffee. There is nothing gonna happen at all without that first cup of coffee. Can you do 100 push-ups if you give me 100 days? Number 9, favorite season of the year? Spring. I love spring so much that I'm actually a spring baby. I was born on the first day of spring. Favorite hobby? Gardening and shopping for the garden. Do you have tattoos? No. 12, do you wear glasses? Only if I want to see anything. 13, do you have any phobias or fears? Yes, spiders. I don't like spiders, and I'm actually allergic to spider bites. 14, do you have a nickname? I have several. Of course, it's always going to be Ma or Mommy with the kids. I'm also known as Grandma or G-Ma to the grandbabies. Some of my close friends call me T. And there were a couple other nicknames that family called me, but those members are no longer here. So I don't use those nicknames at all. Favorite candy? I love chocolate. I am a big chocoholic. And I do also like a good Werther's. Love those. Do you believe in ghosts? Yes, I believe in the Holy Ghost. I also do believe in spirits. Rain or snow? Rain. I used to like snow as a child. I am no longer a child. I do not like the snow. Not at all. Do you have any piercings? Yes, 3 in each ear. Age? I just turned 53 last month. French fries or onion rings? I like both, but I'd rather have a good fry. Do you have children? I gave birth to 5 children. God saw fit for me to raise 3 of the 5. Favorite color? Blue and purple. Can you sing? In a choir. Can't do any solos anymore. Those days are long gone. Can you whistle? A little. Where were you born? Born and raised in Cleveland, Ohio. Do you have siblings? I had a brother, a younger brother. He passed 6 years ago. Can you cook? Yes, I've actually been cooking since I was 10 years old. I was a latchkey kid and had to cook dinner once we got home from school because my dad was a horrible cook. Even the dog didn't want to eat it. Can you swim? Nope, nope, nope. Swim like a rock. I sink. Shower or bath? Usually a shower. Unless my back is bothering me, then we'll take a nice long soak in the bath. City or nature? I've always been a city girl. I do like nature. If I could get semi-rural, that would be a happy medium. Are you a good friend? I think so. My best friend would say so, and we've been friends since I was 4 or 5. Any broken bones? No. 33. How many TVs in your home? I have 2 at the apartment, and I think there's 3 in the house. It could be more. Not sure. No, it's 4 in the house because we did find one upstairs. Worst pain ever. Most people would expect me to say childbirth, and that was painful. But the worst pain ever was losing my oldest son almost 2 years ago, and then losing my younger 2 grandchildren, one in 2020 and one last summer. They were twins. $35. Do you like to dance? Yes. 36. Camping or hotel? Hotel. I've never actually been camping. I would be open to glamping, but give me a good hotel with all the amenities any day. Do you think you're weird? I don't think I'm weird. My friends might say otherwise, but I don't think I'm weird. How long have you been gardening? I started gardening in 1992 with my oldest son because he needed baby food, and I would just grow a few veggies, and that's how he had his baby food. I stopped doing that after a while. I went back to work when he was about a year and a half old, and then I got back into gardening in 2014 on my balcony and have been gardening ever since. Now, once I'm totally completed with my move, I'll be growing here at the house in the backyard. 39. If you can grow any one thing in your garden, what will it be? Always tomatoes. There's nothing better than a good, fresh, homegrown tomato. Love it. What is your grow zone? My apartment is in zone 6A. No, 6B. The house is 6 miles away from the apartment on the other side of town, and it's 6A. So, 6A and 6B. Tag 5 content creators to participate. Miss Shirley OG, You Grow Row, My Renaissance Grandma, Game Nerd Mom, and Cassandra South Fulton Garden. Talk to you later, family. Bye-bye.